Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the right wire, 0, 032 or 0, 041 stainless because strength and ductility matter. Clamp the pliers on the loose end, feed wire through component holes so the pull vector resists rotation. Once aligned, form a 90 degrees bend and make the first wrap around the anchor. Make sure to leave 3/8 to 1/2 inch tail for twisting. You must orient twists to tighten under load. This prevents loosening. Keep grip steady. Avoid kinks that create stress rise. Now you perform the controlled twist. Place both tails into the twisting jaws and squeeze gently to take up slack, then rotate the pliers smoothly until the twist pitch is tight and even, typically 6 to 8 turns over 1/2 inch. Once done, use the cutter on the pliers to trim, leaving about 1/8 to 3/16 inch tail so the tail won't catch. Make sure twists lie flat and point toward the load-bearing side. This ensures the wire tightens under torque rather than loosening. Finish by bending the trim tail under the last twist and tucking it so no sharp end protrudes. You want a smooth profile that won't snag. Verify uniform twist spacing and that the wire pulls the fastener in the desired direction. If you find gaps, feathered twists, or a loose anchor, cut the wire out and start a new run. Do not attempt to reuse or heat the wire. One key troubleshooting tip: if twists unravel, replace the wire and reapply with correct tail length and twist count.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.